alcohol, huh?
Oh, wow. Hey, folks. I'm not gonna miss this place. The restaurant where I work. Had used the facilities. Started a sneezing fit. I just realized I'm allergic to this place. Let's go outside. Well, okay, I just had the craziest sneezing fit in the bathroom of the restaurant where I was working. That's right. Well, actually, I'm still working. I got one more day there tomorrow. It's today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, and my thing keeps, it always rips. Anyways, yeah, I want to bring you up to speed on everything I've been doing lately on the truck. Sorry I haven't uploaded. Oh, I hate having sneezing fits. I must be allergic, I swear. Okay, this year, as you know, is my truck. 1999 Ford F350 Super Duty V10 Triton. That's right, it's got a V10 in it. I recently started to do some real fast-ass body work on it. That's why you can see the primer underneath. Fords are notorious up here to rust. If it gets somewhat humid, it rusts. Did a little spot there. Another one on top here. This is all temporary. And underneath on my door, there. Now, here's the thing. You know, I'm sleeping in my truck. I have been for over 3 months now, throughout the summer. And I had to do a few modifications because now it's fall big time, the season. And winter's coming. It's gotten cold at night. It gets around to like maybe +2 Celsius. Like, I don't know, like 20 Fahrenheit or something like that. Oh, wow. Okay, this is what I've done. Now, take into account, I have a time limit. I'm very short on funds. The restaurant where I have been now working, I've let go for a better job, a job I've actually had in the past. I'll explain that later or another time. But right now, at this moment, this, am I recording? Please tell me I am. Yes. Oh, by the way, that's the makeshift door. This is an exterior door on my roll-up door. As you can see, I've kept the roll-up door. This here is now more or less permanently closed. I've put a, how do I say, one of those, I'll show you the inside. Anyways. Yeah, leaving the restaurant for a better job. That means more hours and better pay. And it's also inside. I won't be working outside doing gardening in the winter, obviously. So, oh man, sneezing fits. I gotta take my allergy pills. Okay, try to make this short. This tin, this is very flimsy but very sharp tin, is the outer skin of a wooden door, which comes on the U-Haul trucks. It is on both sides of the wood, in case nobody ever knew. Yeah. Anyways, this here is a temporary door. Everything I've done, and I will show you, is temporary. The season is closing in. I need to make this livable because it gets cold up here in Montreal in the winter times. It gets nasty. And it gets that cold, humid cold, you know, it's like, anyways. So this is it. I put, I believe, what, not an inch, but a little less than an inch wood. I'm not your handyman carpenter, but I've done the best I can. So got this wood at Homer's Depot. This here is a little padlock, which I will show you here. Since I flip out my key, I'm very clumsy. Lack of sleep does that to you. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey, somebody's going to lock you in. Once you're in there, somebody's going to come up and put a lock on there. No. What I do is when I'm inside, this is what I do. This little doohickey, this thing, I unscrew this, I get rid of it. It's not there anymore. So when it's not there, you can't lock it in any which way or shape or form. This is permanently closed anyways, so ta-da! I have a, I guess you could say it's an exterior door for a house, but for a garage of sorts. The width is narrower because the width on walls on houses are really, really thick. This was half price. I still get the Energy Star rating for our climate here in Canada. You know, that's where I am in Montreal, right there. Just Incredibles out there, man. Nice, sunny, warm Vancouver. Yeah. Anyways, well, it's sunny here today. It's been rainy. Anyways, this is my door. This is that blue stuff I told you about. I'll show you a roll on the inside. That's just a broom. Brush off my feet before I step in. Uh-oh. Sneezing fit. I gotta take my allergy pills. Alright, let's get inside here. Oh, this is that aluminum that I think I mentioned to you. You know, it's on the outside. And no, it's not on the inside, sorry. Yeah, it's not. It's on the outside only. Okay, U-Haul doors. That's how they're made, if you're wondering. At least for the year that was for this truck. Okay, let's go inside. Yes, I do have a door handle. I will show that to you in a moment. I will be putting that. There we go. Putting that on soon. Generator. I love you. I gotta get me one of these. No, this one here is not mine. This one here belongs to Be Fantastic. The guy was gracious enough to lend me this generator, gas and all. The thing works like a champ. I don't know what the name brand is it, but anyways. Oh, allergies. Yeah, so a couple of tools, the generator, and of course this here, which is a carbon monoxide detector. Be Fantastic, thank you. It came in handy twice. In a week I've had it. It came in handy twice. Now, this is a saw, what is it? Reciprocating saw? Whatever, it's a Sawzall. That's what I've always been known to call it. The Sawzall is a cheap ass one from Crappy Tire. It's a Master Crap, as you can see. Got it for like 22, 25 bucks, whatever. Came with a whole bunch of blades for metal, for wood, and this is an all-purpose blade that's on here. This all-purpose blade actually did the trick for what I needed, and still pretty good. This here stuff is the stuff that I put underneath. Am I recording? Yes. This is the stuff I put underneath my door. It's actually right here. It sticks out a bit. It's taped down here, and it goes, I doubled it up, and it goes right to the exterior right there, and it's taped down right there to seal up the door from moisture, water, snow, air, whatever, from coming in, whatever. I have the sides here. The box of the door is braced on the sides right now only. This will be drilled into the floor later on as soon as I get a chance. I have these panels here, which is some of the free wood I got. As you can see, it's not braced above. I have maybe a centimeter or two of space that goes right through. I could not put this completely forward because of the spring. So, and the spring itself, the whole mechanism, the whole spring mechanism and the door in springtime will not be there. I will have the funds to replace all this, and possibly even replace this door. Well, because I've changed jobs. Tomorrow, Sunday, I'm doing my last day at the restaurant, so everything you see here is temporary, but I need this now because it's getting very cold at night. And that little buddy propane heater, man, lifesaver. It's working overtime. So for now, as you can see, until I buy the insulation and I build the box covering this and insulate all this, I'm also going to put a wall, angle my hand, right here, which is, all that's going to be insulated and closed off. For now, as you can see, I have just plastic bags, whatever, just for the little cracks in the door. But this door is not moving. It's solid, it's locked in, it's solid in there. As I said, I have braced the door here. These are braced right into these things. Oh man, I'm lost at words today. You know, these are the things that you would strap things to inside the U-Haul. I drilled the wood into those, and hence down there, and this here actually is braced into the door. As you can see, wire, you're in my way. So the door is not going anywhere. Nobody's opening or closing that roll-up door. I repeat myself because many people ask me the same questions over and over again. I have not finished doing the insulation on my ceiling yet. Again, lack of funds. Once I start my new job, this will be taken care of. Yeah, it's back there. Right now I've just put this plastic, it's taped around. It's helped me out because I do get humidity on the walls still. And I know what you're saying, my place is a total mess, right? No, this place is totally clean. Totally clean compared to the time, during the time it took me to do all this. So, yeah, it was horrible. But I got it done in the time that I had to do. Here's my door handle. This is the cheap-ass $40-something door handle. Oh my, and there you go. I'll be putting this in, I think tomorrow, because tonight I am invited to a family get-together for dinner. I can't wait to do that. Free food's always good. Seeing some family's good too. Yeah, is there anything else? No, I'm sleeping in Mom's attic back there. So I'm sleeping at Mom's? No, I'm sleeping in my truck in the Mom's attic area, which is right above behind there, because heat rises. And I kind of hung all this up on a rod, stuffed it on top there. So when I heat, the heat rises in there and gets trapped, you know. And I hate using the word trapped because I know a lot of you are thinking, me in this truck, I'm going to get trapped. No, it's not going to happen. Trust me, I looked at that so many different ways. Okay, I wanted to make this short. I don't think it's going to be a short video, but nonetheless, ow. That's it. That's the drill. I got some tools and junk in there. Okay. Oh, allergies. I hate them. Oh. My hand's getting tired. Okay, so that's it, really. That's my humble abode. Yeah. So, as I said, I take this off at night so that there's nothing here for people to lock me in. So, I'm good there. Ugh. Snot. So that's it, really. that's my that's what I've been doing. Still here in the parking lot of the restaurant. I guess I could still stay here for a little bit. My plant Al is somewhat suffering, but I have a place for him. In a couple of days I'm going to bring him over to that place. Nice, sunny, warm. That's it. I'm all done here. This video is done. Okay. I gotta get some sleep sometime soon. I gotta go pick up some propane at Crappy Tire. And that's it. Thanks again to Be Fantastic. Seriously. I rushed a bit to get this done. But I got it done. I got it done with the with what I had at hand, you know. And this here on the outside also, I'm going to be sealing this up much better soon when I get my first paycheck from my other job. And no, I don't see too many you know, dancers walk out of that place because it's kind of cool outside. During the summer they come out like wearing next to nothing. They wear a string. That's what they wear. Okay. Oh God, look at those colors. Awful, isn't it? I hate fall. I hate fall. Ugh. Okay, that's it. Bye for now. And I'll try to make another video soon. Again, I got things to do right now. Got to run around. So, see you later.